everyone, I'm Shilipani, grade 8 studying next to this cabin, and this is my little sister.
Hello everyone, my name is Light Pandya. I'm studying in first standard in SNS Academy.
Welcome to another video of my channel, Code University. Today we're going to make an interesting gaming app known as the Ping Pong gaming app. Today we're going to see how the app works and its programming part. If you missed my previous part of the video, which is the design part, the link is in the description below. Let's quickly see how the app works. This is my Ping Pong app. Here you find 9 levels of game, and here there are 2 options here, which is the setting, and here you can exit the game app if you want. Let's give no for now. Here you can off the music and the clicking sound. Here let's start with the first level. The target is 40 coins. Let's give start. Let's drag to start the game. Oh no, if the ball goes out, you lose. So you can either give next or restart. I'm gonna give restart by clicking the game on again. Let's reach 40 coins. So now we have reached 37. If you give 40 points, you can go to the next and the next level. Here you can give next if you want. So as you see, there are star ratings too. If you finish it fully, you will get 5 stars, and if you finish it like 37, 40, you'll get the stars accordingly. And here you can go on with other levels. Here you can also collect the free coins which when you arrive the game at first. So as you see, the coins increased. Let's quickly see the programming part. Now I'm in my computer. Let's quickly see the programming part of the Ping Pong application. Yeah, the first thing is the screen 1. So screen 1 thing is very easy, which is just when clock timer. This is just the splash screen, so it is just the the timer, how much seconds that is the the screen just goes, and how much after this it just goes to the screen 4 directly. So next let's go to the screen 2. Yep, we are in screen 2. So we scroll down on top to explain. So as I said, I'll be connecting everything to the screen 3, where we'll be, which is the main thing, which is the level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4. These are the stars. So yeah, I'll be first scrolling up, and the first thing you're going to be doing is the path label. So as you see, the main thing is the path label. So what you can do is first give call layout dialog, cancel dialog, set ball 1 enable to true, because the ball should be enabled. Sure. After it is, after we drag the thing, ball should be enabled. And here, when pass image, click. When the pass image is clicked, then call layout dialog to show dialog, arrangement called as the game pass, title to be, you can just go to the text and just give the normal blank text, and cancelable to be false, and cancel button text to be false. And the buttons, you can create an empty list by going to the list option and go to balls and give set ball 1 enable to be false. So the next thing here is the music. In the music, you're first gonna be going to the music thing and gonna click and gonna drag and drop to be the music, and after if then and else statement. Here I'm going to give that call music get value to track music value tag not there, then you're going to give it on, and you're going to give the equal to symbol as in the middle and give on. So then call BG music start, else BG music stop. It's just a music. And yeah, is the click sound. There are two sounds, as I said, which is the sound on the background music sound and the clicking sound. When I click the level 1, that sound. Level 2, this sound. Just the clicking sound. As you see the click sound, you're going to give if, then, and else statement. And you're going to give the equal to option. And inside the equal to option, you're going to be placing the click sound get value tag. Value not there. So yeah, here in the value not give value not there, you're going to give tag to be click, and value not there, you're going to be give on is equal to on. Yeah, you can give the screen to, yeah, when screen to initialize set global target, set select list item list to get value. So yeah, first before doing this, first you're going to be doing is select, give initialize variables, which is first thing you're going to be doing is initialize global. First variable is target to 0, then stage to 0, level to 0, and the speed to 0, and ball enable to no. So these are the main things you're going to be doing before you're going to be block. You're going to move and block. So after that, you can actually give set global target to. If you just be here, you can something called set global target to. You can just drag and drop it to select list item list index to get start value and index to 1, and here to 2, and here to 3, and here to 4. So here call music ball move x y to the canvas width divided by 2, and y we can give it as 0. And here you see the layout thing. So here in the arrangement column, you can give the countdown layout, which actually count downs. And after that, title as you can just give empty box here, and cancelable true, and cancel button. You can give an empty box and just create empty list and call details. Now, as I explained you this, let's move to the bar. Yeah. So when the bar is dragged, start X, Y, so this block you're going to be moving for the bar. And here you see if get global ball enable is equal to no, then the ball should move to this. So if it is no, if the ball is enabled, literally means if the ball is enabled, so then move x, y, z divided by 2, the ball enabled to be true. Set heading to random integer to 25. It's according, when you just drag the string, you can know it is 225 and 315. You can just drag it to anywhere which you want, where the ball should move. And after that, set ball interval to 10. And you can do these things in designing too, or if you want, you can also do it in the programming. And set global ball enable to S. Here, under that, you're going to give call bar move to, you're going to not give inside it, you're going to be giving it under it. Call ball enable to XY, get current X, ball Y. So here you're going to be doing is the details, two details, and give set score label text to 0 and speed to get global speed. Set stage label text to join stage, get global. You can actually, so which is the score, main score. As you see on the top, you see the score where it increases as we do. So that's the main thing here. Without that, there's no game. So we're going to give the score label to be 0 and set ball speed to get global speed. Set stage label text to join the stage and get the global stage. So this global stage, you're going to be creating a variable for global stage, and yeah, and here you're going to give the global level. As I said, there are two options, which is get and set. You can just go through it, and after this is the get level complete. So now we finish the game. Now without nothing, it is not a game. It's not an interesting game. To get some marks, to get some points, to get some stars, this is the main thing important in the game. So here is to get level completed. Here you can just get global level is equal to 1, and if then an else statement, you're going to be dragging it from the control section, and after that you're going to be giving an you're going to be giving greater than equal to symbol, and here you're going to be giving score level label text in this side and greater than equal to 20, and here call star store value tag value to store. You're going to be giving the tag to be the level 1 star, and you're going to be giving the value as 1 1, and after that the star value of the level 1 star, else you're going to be giving it as 1 1 1. So what is this 1 1 and what is this 1 1 1? It is where it's if suppose in the level 1, if I give the target as 20, then it should, if it reaches 20, it should be giving 3 stars. But if it didn't reach 20, it should be only giving us 2 stars. It's according to that amount of stars given. So call point store value tag to score. Value to store, you're going to give the points, tag points as 1000, and plus store value get text. So after this text, after this get added, this text should be given in the score value. So call play game play level store value tag to a tag as level, and the value to store is level 2. So else, if to get the global tag to global level to be 2, and here you're going to be doing the same thing for each level. So this is level 1 and level 2. You see it is you see if it is the score label is 25, then the star level you see the tag level 2 star should be 22, and it should be 2 2 2. So yeah, the same thing it applies to other levels too. As you see, the same thing applies to other things. So I'm not going to be explaining the whole thing because it's the same thing. It's just a point so you get same thing. You're just going to apply for the other 9 levels, but you're going to increase the points accordingly. But so here, after you give all the score and all the things, in the label get global label 9, what you're going to be doing is call point store value to score and value score to get points 1000, and the same thing, you're just going to copy paste this here and call play level to play and get global 1 to plus 1. So you're going to be giving this thing mainly here, and then if true, then close screen, open another screen known as screen 4, which is the screen 3. So screen 3, I told you that it goes to the same home screen, which I told you can create in the last video itself. I'll also be telling you at the end of the video how to do that. Yeah. So here is the get level completed. Here you can give the get global level to be 1 and star value to level star 1. You're going to do the same thing, but if the value is 1 1 1 1, then the points here will be the same thing, which you can copy paste. The tag level 1 value to store is level 2, and after that get global value to 2, the same thing you're going to be giving. It's like if you give 1 1 1, here the 2 2 2, you're going to be just repeating for the 3rd level, 4th level, 5th level, 6th level, and 7th level, and 8th level, and 9th level. I've created 9 level. You can also create how much levels you want. In the 9th, you're going to be doing is core, and here you're going to give the global plus to 1. So yeah, and you're going to be simply going to give, and which gets continued to screen 3. So when the screen 2 is back pressed, if it is back pressed,
ball 1 enabled to false, and then you're going to begin. You can't leave the game while playing. So as you see, like when we give back, give back, because like when you give the level 1, for example, and when you give next, the level 1 will be disabled. But when you give the back, and it will have a pop-up known as you can't leave the game by playing, which is a dialogue. And here after that you get game sound. So there's something for the main home page and the game sound. Here game sound to be on, and the ball collided with 360, the number of thing minus the ball 1 hitting. Here scroll read it integer to 1 to 8 because we have that much levels and integers to call target complete or not for the game sound, and sound 3 to play, which is sound 2 to play. So yeah, here is the target complete or not. Here is the score text, which is lesser than equal to get global target. So call the move to ball to the same thing which we did the first. We're just going to do it again. Here you can give result layout with the title to be the same thing which we did at first. And here it's a bar enabled to false and the bar 1 enabled to false. So if call game gets sound, then false, and if they get game sound, then the sound 4 should be played. We reach the edge, which is only few more. So let's complete it fast. So yeah, so when the ball 1 reaches the edge, so it reaches the edge, then it should -1. If suppose this is my ball and this is the edge. If it actually reaches the edge means not down. Edge means the edges here. So these are the edges, not the down where we lose the edges. It'll give -1 point. So we are going to be careful not to touch the edges. So call ball 1 to move to canvas divided by 2, the same thing. Here, as you see the same thing right here, you're just going to copy paste and paste it here, and the call 1 to be enabled, and the same thing here. And after that, you're going to be copy pasting it, and it's not that because it's the same thing you're not going to be copy pasting it, you're going to be doing it. So after that, set overall score text to score label. So the overall score should be given to the score label, which should be displayed the score label. And here call get game sound, call get over game over sound. After the game is over, there'll be a sound produced, so that. And here, if the ball bounces to edge, there's another sound, and there's the collide sound. So here are the last 3 programming thing, and after that, I'll be explaining you the 3 how to do it. So the first thing is next image 2, which is when if we give the next image, then here next image 2, call the ball button to move to the canvas with the same thing I want to be copy pasting, and give set ball 1 enabled to be false, and call layout dialog cancel dialog, call get level completed. And when this is happening, you're going to be doing just a second. I'm sorry, there was a glitch. And here it is, you're going to be doing the same thing for call dialog, cancel dialog, and level completed, call click sound. And after that, you're going to be doing the same thing for this. And after you do that, you're going to be doing the same thing here, but you're going to call dialog, ball to be enabled to be false, and the dialog cancel dialog, and give call click sound. If then option to be true, and if it's true, then close the screen. So open another screen named screen 4. So if after the game screen, what is the main screen? There are only 3 screens present. One is the screen where is the splash screen, the home screen, and the game playing screen. So I thought it's better to give the home screen to be your work because the game screen is a little bit tricky. So I thought I'll explain you, and the home screen you can do it. So the home screen, how to do it is simple. You're simply going to be placing buttons for level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, level 6, level 7, level 8, and etc. How much ever levels you want. And after that, you're going to be connecting. See, here, if open another screen or a screen 4, what you're going to be doing is, if clicked level 1, then open another screen known as the gaming screen or whatever the screen you need, or the screen 2. You're going to be doing that. So it's very easy task where to do that. You're just going to be displaying, the UI design and everything. I'll be providing, but you're going to be doing the coding and the designing part for screen 3. So as I explained you, that's a simple thing. Yeah, you can add how much ever screens and layouts and anything. And after that, you're going to be doing. And another thing which you're going to be doing in home screen is the display. So as you see, when you start, you get some points extra, right? So that is absolutely optional because most of the game provides that. You can do that, or you can avoid it, or then you can just create a UI by yourself by giving the sound option, this option, that option, and everything, which I've already programmed and told you. You can give that options there. So after that, yeah, that's it. There's nothing more than this. You can display the stars and much more. Yeah, you can also improvise the app in many ways. You instead of for each level, what I give is increase this. In this game, it increases the score. For level 1, it is 30. Level 2, it is 50. 3, 6, 70, 80, 90, 100. So it increases like that. But what you can do is you can do many things. You can create a difficulty in each game. You can create obstacles and more difficulties passing. You can do many other things too. So I hope you enjoy the video. So that's it. The programming part is done. And I'll also be providing the AI file in the description below in this video.
I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like, share and comment to my video and subscribe my channel. Let's see you in the next video. Till then, bye!